Imagine your entire company's management integrated with AI from the very beginning. Can you picture it? This could be your everyday reality. Leave behind manual processes that delay reports and decisions. It's time to take another step in your company's digital transformation. Powered by AI, the SoftExpert Suite software ensures operational efficiency, data accuracy, and compliance at every stage of your processes. Classify actions, fill out forms, and direct workflows in one click. Classify incidents with the help of artificial intelligence. Create and improve action plans in minutes with data-driven insights. Ask, summarize, and translate without wasting time. See your team's productivity increase by up to 40%. It's not just automation, it's applied intelligence so you can take your business to the next level. Book a demo,